We'll guide you through how to use Vercel Agent Browser, a powerful tool for monitoring and debugging your web applications. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Integrations tab in the dashboard. Here, you'll see the option to add new integrations. Look for the Vercel Agent Browser and click on it. You'll be prompted to install the integration. Follow the on-screen instructions to add it to your project. After installation, go to your project's settings and enable the Vercel Agent Browser under the Monitoring section. Once enabled, you can start using the agent to analyze your site's performance and debug issues directly from your browser. You can view real-time metrics, such as response times and error rates, and even replay user sessions to see exactly how users interact with your application. This is extremely useful for identifying and fixing bugs quickly. If you want to drill down into specific areas, you can filter the data by page, user location, or device type. Remember to regularly check the agent dashboard for any alerts or issues that might need your attention. The Vercel Agent Browser is a great way to ensure your application runs smoothly and efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.